If you're experiencing issues with the PUBG update getting stuck, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the update issue effectively. Step 1. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your gaming device can resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your console or PC, wait a few moments, and then power it back on. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, clearing the cache can help. Turn off your console, unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and restart. For PC users, you can clear the Steam or game cache through the settings. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, you can verify the integrity of the game files. Go to your game library, right-click on PUBG, select Properties, then navigate to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling PUBG. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. Make sure to back up your game data if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of the PUBG update getting stuck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.